Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert or how to add a drop-down list on your Canva document or Canva doc on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a drop-down list in Canva docs document, just going to show in this video. It's simple. So I just type as how many video you uploaded like that. So I just need to have options of drop down list menu, which is completely for an example. So you click on this plus symbol. Now you just can scroll down. You can search or just search by drop. Just type as a drop down. You can find a drop down. You can see an option create drop down or drop down. I just going to make it as create drop down. And here you have the three options. You can just click on the edit caption, and I just going to make it as 1100 or option 2 100 2100, or you can just clear everything and just make it as 500, and here just going to change it as 1000. Okay, and also you have the other options like you can just change the color, what the color you just needed, like that you can just change it. And you have the option to delete. After creating this, click on this OK, and you can just add more option if you just need it, and just close it. Now if you just click this, it will show the drop down list. You can just change the tick by this. So this is how we just create a drop down list on your Canva docs. So you can just change it as whatever. You can just make an idea. It's my opinion. You can just change the idea and you can just use it on your own. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.